Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll have some active weather across the Delmarva Peninsula today into tonight, and see a chance of some rainfall today. Some of that could be heavy at times, as well as a chance of a thunderstorm across the region. We do have a lightning advisory currently in effect for lightning within 25 nautical miles, expected to be within 10 nautical miles in 20 minutes. And we also have a wind advisory out this morning for winds at or greater than 25 knots. So we continue to see that wind advisory throughout the day today, most likely with winds around that 25 knot criteria. And we'll see these chances of showers and thunderstorms moving in and out of the region for this morning, with just a slight chance for the afternoon. Looking at our vegetation IR band this morning, you can see the cloud cover is widespread across the region, or has a lot of coverage across the area. Seeing ceiling around 700 feet this morning. I continue to see these low ceilings throughout the day today, with a possibility we do have a little bit higher ceilings for the afternoon hours. We do have to see a break in the rainfall and the chances of thunderstorms. Our 9Z surface analysis, we have Tropical Storm Michael continuing to move through Georgia and South Carolina. It's going to continue to quickly move towards our region for the afternoon and evening hours, and then move just off our coast for the overnight time period, with some heavy rain and gusty winds for our area. Looking at the HRRR model for today, giving us an idea what the radar reflectivity may look like. You can see the showers this morning moving through, and then we move towards 10 o'clock. And then for the afternoon hours, you can see that the rainfall is kind of a hole across the region, not really seeing much coverage across our area. But then once we get past about 6 o'clock tonight, we'll see the remnants of Michael really move through the region, and giving us a period of heavy rainfall, expecting our rainfall anywhere from about 2 to 5 inches across the Wallops region. Some location could see some heavier amounts if we do get some training of some showers and thunderstorms across one area. Looking at our current observation as of 8:15 this morning, at a broken deck at 700 feet, overcast deck at 1,100 feet. 4-mile statute visibility with some light rain, winds out of the southerly component of 180, 15 knots. Temperature 78 degrees, and relative humidity at 92%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we're going to have a good chance of rainfall this morning, with an orange, also a yellow for our lightnings. We do have a thunderstorm off to the south moving towards our area. That could be giving us that lightning within 10 nautical miles. We'll have winds around 25 knots, as I said, for today. Looking like we'll have south winds sustained 12 to 17 knots with that gust of 25. Our ceilings and visibility will be around 500 feet at times a day, especially with the rainfall in the region. And we do have a chance of some heavier rainfall for this morning and the afternoon hours, with better chances and likely chances to move into the evening and overnight time period. We'll start to increase our winds out of the east to northeast as that system moves just off our coast for the overnight time period. After midnight, we'll see a northeast wind at 15 and 20 knots, gusting at 28, and then we'll really see the winds pick up as that system exits just off our coast, and we'll see a north-northwesterly wind sustained at 20 to 30 knots, gusting to 48 knots, which is around 55 miles an hour. We do have a high wind warning in effect from the National Weather Service for winds around that 55 miles an hour, So we'll be quite breezy and windy for our overnight time period into the Friday morning time period, with those winds gusting 50 to 55 miles an hour. So could be seeing a possibility of some downed trees across the area if we do have these winds sustained or in the area for a few hours, other than just a few gusts. Our rainfall will be likely for the evening into the overnight hours, with heavy rainfall most likely after 8 o'clock till about 4 o'clock local on Thursday into Friday. And that's our best chance of seeing any flooding, if we do see any flooding from the freshwater or from the rainfall. Looks like we will pick up a quick, as I said, 2 to 5 inches of rainfall with this system moving through for the overnight time period. So if you're coming in tomorrow morning on your commute, you could be seeing some ponding on the roadways in some locations that do see some heavier amounts of rainfall. Moving to our 24-hour terminal forecast, as I mentioned, we'll have mostly cloudy to overcast skies today, with the chances of rainfall, 20% chance of lightning from now till noon, then 15% chance of a thunderstorm or lightning after noon through 1800 local, and then after 1800 local and during the overnight time period, we'll have a 20% chance of thunderstorms embedded within that heavy rainfall. And our best chance of heavy rainfall looks like it will occur after 2200 local till about 3 local on Friday, as that system moves through with the heaviest rainfall over our area. And then by our Friday morning, we'll see skies clearing very quickly. We'll see just mostly sunny skies as the remnants of Michael moves well off the coastline. Moving into Friday into Saturday, we'll have mostly sunny skies on Friday to partly cloudy skies, breezy, less humid and cooler than what we've been dealing with, so more seasonable for this time of year, seeing a high of 69 degrees. Friday night, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies and cooler temperatures, a slight chance of a light rain shower near the dawn time period, a low of 49 degrees. And then Saturday, we'll see mostly cloudy to overcast skies with a slight chance of a light rain shower during the morning and the early afternoon. Of clearing skies by late afternoon, evening will be a quick moving system with that possibility of light rainfall. We'll have a high of 62 degrees, so actually finally feel like fall once we move into the weekend. Looking at our risks for Friday into Saturday, we have a good chance of seeing that wind over 25 knots or a likely condition with the red. And then for Saturday, we'll have a yellow for precip with the slight chance, about a 20 to 30% chance of seeing some light rainfall in the area on Saturday morning into the early afternoon. That'll complete the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.